Hey there, welcome to Unit 9, Topic 1, Equations of Circles. Before we get started, let's take a look at what a circle looks like, just kind of to remind everybody so we're all on the same page. Okay, so go ahead and just sketch yourself a little circle out to the side. This is the equation of the circle, and x and y will stay as variables when you've got numbers in here, but h and k represent the center of the circle. So somewhere here-ish, this is your h comma k, so it's an ordered pair like 2, 5 or something like that. And then r refers to the radius of the circle. And the radius is the distance between the center and the edge of the circle. So this would be the radius. And it can be anywhere in the circle. They're all going to be the same length. So if this radius is 5, then every single line that I draw from the center to the edge of the circle is going to be 5. So they're all going to be the same. Okay, so identify the center and radius of the circle in standard form. So this is standard form right here. And once again, h, k, and r need to actually be numbers when we have our equation written out. So you'll see it here. Okay, so the x and y are the variables, everything else is a number. Another thing that's important to mention is the h and k, their signs are going to be opposite. So if I have x minus 2, and so it kind of looks like it's minus 2, that means my center, the h, this is going to be the h is going to be positive 2, and then the k is going to be positive 3. Okay, so the signs are opposite. So if you have a subtraction in here, you're actually going to have a positive coordinate. And then the radius is going to be square root of 144. So remember that the equation of the circle equals r squared. So to find just the radius, we need to square root that. So the square root of 144 is 12. Okay, so like I said before, they're going to be opposite. So this is x plus 3, so we've got negative 3 and negative 1 for our HK. This is our center. And then our radius is going to be square root of 81, and that is 9. Okay, so down here we have x plus 8. So again, it's going to be opposite. So negative 8. So remember, even if these for some reason weren't in the right order, the h always goes with the x, the k always goes with the y. So negative 8 and then positive 12. The radius is square root of this 169, and diameter, so that's a new word. So the diameter is actually from one edge of the circle all the way across to the other side of the circle. Okay, so you can see here it's actually 2 of these radius segments. So the diameter is going to be equal to 2 times your radius, in this case 2 times 13, so our diameter would be 26. Okay, so radius is from the center to the edge. The diameter is going to be from one edge to the other, all the way across in the center, going through the center. So not like here, okay, not like that. It's from one edge to the other and going through the center. Let's get that off of there. All right, couple more. Use the information to write the equation of the circle. So here we have center. This is our HK. So our equation is going to look like that. So remember, we're going to be doing opposite. So the center, the h and the k are both positive, so it's going to be minus 3, then y minus 2, and then the radius is 14. Well, this right here is radius squared, so it's 14 squared. So 14 squared is, let me type it in, 196. 196. Okay, or you might see it written as 14 squared. All right, so squared plus squared. So HK, so x plus 2, because it's negative, y plus or minus 0, it doesn't matter because it can't be a positive or negative 0, equals 15 squared, 225. Okay, and we don't really need y minus 0, so actually what you might see, y minus 0 is the same as y. So you might actually see this. Either is okay, but if you're a multiple choice, you probably wouldn't see this one right here. You'd probably see this one. All right, so remember to ask any questions if you have.